I have Philip Conn in from Canova, West Virginia. Philip just finished our Detail Czar 3-day certified detailer private license training program. And so, Phil, did a great job this weekend. Fantastic job, actually. So, what do you think of the training this weekend?
I thought it was very interesting. Learned a lot. Very knowledgeable class. I know throughout the entire class, you asked if we had any questions. I didn't really have a lot of questions because everything was pretty much explained very well. So
Well, thank you.
had an awesome time. Learned a lot.
Is there anything that actually stood out on the Friday, the business and marketing training day that really stood out for you when you left? You said, wow, I didn't know that, or that's something that I think I could really use for my business?
I think a lot of the business aspects of getting clients, marketing. I think that was probably one of the biggest
Sure.
standouts.
Excellent. What about the exterior training yesterday? Paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating application?
Not as scary as I thought it was going to be.
Okay,
So
good,
I think it worked out pretty well.
good.
Uh, Once again, learned a lot. Happy to. Very very glad I took the class
Excellent.
because I did learn a lot more than what I thought would. So
That's what we hear that a lot. Well, you are a great student, did a great job,
thank you,
and really appreciate your attendance. You
thank
are
you,
now Details are and Jade Ceramic Coating
thank you.
certified, and I'll be
Awesome,
mentoring you for as long as you need me to.
awesome.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
it.
much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You got it.